Hi everyone, Johnny here, and today we're going to make Doenjang Jjigae.
Doenjang Jjigae is one of the most beloved stews in Korea. It's great to enjoy all throughout the year, or when you're sick, hungover, or if you're just plain hungry. It's a solid go-to meal.
Hey, Lily, stay. No.
Today I'm going to show you a very delicious, easy, and uncomplicated way of making Doenjang Jjigae. I'm not going to scare you off by making a very complex stock or by using unfamiliar ingredients. The hardest part, if you don't already have this, is going out and getting the fermented bean paste or the doenjang, which is right here.
The beauty of Doenjang Jjigae is that you can make it your unique version by adding whatever veggies you like. Here are probably the most common veggies used in your traditional Doenjang Jjigae. Meatless? No problem. Just skip it.
So let's start off by cutting our zucchini and our potato. So here I have a small potato. Just like that. For our zucchini here, I'm gonna cut it straight down the middle. I'm only gonna use about half of this. And then there we have our potato and zucchini. Start off by oiling our pot. Here I have some stew beef. Start off by sauteing this beef. So this is just a pretty economical piece of steak that I bought, and I just cut them up into bite-sized pieces. You don't have to go too fancy. We are stewing this beef, so it's gonna tenderize as it cooks anyways. So I've pre-chopped some onions here. I'm just gonna dump all of this into our pot here. We're gonna have some good meaty, oniony flavor in our jjigae. Jjigae means stew in Korean. Let's grab our potatoes. Here I have 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Just gonna plop that in there. Plop. When I make Doenjang Jjigae, I tend to wing it. It's a pretty easy, forgiving pot of stew to make. Here's 4 cups of water. This is probably going to feed 3 to 4 people, I'd say. Or it's gonna feed 2 people for about 2 days. Just gonna bring this up to a boil now. Once that's at a boil, we're gonna add our doenjang, which is our fermented soybean paste. This stuff is funky, man. It's strong. It's sharp, it's flavor packed. This is like miso on steroids, okay? I personally pick out this brand from CJ because they're self-proclaimed #1 bestseller in Korea. CJ is a very big food company in Korea, so yeah, probably. It's a very mass-produced product. I think every fridge in every household will have a container of soybean paste like this or similar to this from a different brand. So I suggest you get out there and give it a try. Ooh, here we got our boil. Just gonna drop the heat a bit. Now we can add our paste. Got myself some fresh paste because Lily licked the last bit I had. I like to go 4:1 ratio on doenjang to gochujang. Every brand of doenjang is different. They're different in saltiness and flavor slightly, so I suggest, because I don't take measurements for this dish, you just start off with a little less and then gradually add more if you need more flavor to your Doenjang Jjigae. This is probably roughly 3.5, 4 tablespoons. I'm just eyeballing this right now, but all right, let's start off with this because we do have 4 cups of water. This should be pretty good, I'd say. Stir that in there. You should get a nice orangey, browny color. It's smelling really nice. Oh yeah, I forgot, there's a little bit of red pepper paste in my recipe. I didn't mention that. It just adds a little extra depth. So, you know, if you have it, great. And if you don't have it, well, don't sweat it. 4-to-1 ratio. What did we have there? Like 4 or 5 tablespoons worth, roughly. So I'm just gonna get like 1 spoon of this. Yeah, should be good. Let's add it in here. That's just gonna give it a little more color. This will add a little more depth of flavor to our doenjang jjigae. This is why you don't need to necessarily make a stock, because the doenjang and the red pepper paste, the gochujang, has so much flavor as is. Oh yeah. Let's add our zucchini. You know what this needs? Tofu. Here's my block of tofu, and we're going to make these into little cubes. Cut it like this. Once the potatoes and the zucchini are all cooked, you're pretty much done. Let's just add our finishing touches. Let's get our cubed pieces of tofu. Let's get our enoki. And you just gotta garnish it, really. Love garnishing with green onions. It's just so easy. And if you want to give it a kick, feel free to add some hot pepper. All done. Now I'm just gonna transfer a bit of this into a smaller pot for me to enjoy. 15-20 minutes to make this is all you need. Look at that. Look at all the veggies, the beef. It's awesome. Nice mix of mushrooms, tofu, big flavors. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be delicious. And there you have it. Simply enjoy this with a side of rice, or you could even have it by itself. Well, that's that. Super easy to do, you guys. Shouldn't take too long to make a very delicious bowl of doenjang jjigae. Oh my goodness. Damn, that smells good. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. Mushrooms and onions and tofu. Whew, it's hot. Absolutely wonderful. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a try, easy to make, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Hey, Lily, stay.